In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated text in Kapwing. Whether you're looking to jazz up your videos with dynamic text effects or simply want to learn a new skill, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Kapwing's website by typing in w.kapwing.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the website's main page, which encourages you to create more content in less time. Kapwing is a user-friendly online tool that offers a wide range of video and image editing features, making it a great resource for creating dynamic content. Next, you'll need to sign into your Kapwing account. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage and give it a click. This will prompt a pop-up window where you'll have multiple options to sign in, including email, Facebook, and Google. For today's tutorial, let's go through signing in with Google. Click on the Sign In with Google option and you'll be directed to a page where you can select your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you want to use with Kapwing. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your project dashboard. Here you can see all your ongoing and completed projects. Click on the project you'd like to work on or create a new one if you haven't already started. This will open the Kapwing editor, where all the magic happens. Inside the editor, look for the Text tab. You'll find it among the various tools available in Kapwing's intuitive interface. Clicking this tab will open up a plethora of text styles and options. Here you can select the text style that suits your project's theme best. Kapwing provides a variety of fonts and styles, so feel free to explore until you find one you love. With your text selected, it's time to add some animation. Head over to the right side of the editor to locate the Animations tab. When you click on it, you'll see various animation options pop up. Let's try the Fade animation today. This effect will make your text smoothly fade in and out, adding a professional touch to your video. After applying the animation, don't forget to adjust the duration and timing to match your video's pace. Kapwing gives you the flexibility to customize these settings, ensuring your text appears exactly when you want it to. Finally, consider using the highlight option to make specific parts of your text stand out even more. This feature allows you to emphasize key points, making them eye-catching and impactful. And there you have it. You've successfully animated text using Kapwing. With these techniques, you can enhance your videos with dynamic and engaging text animations. Happy editing!